Good evening, good afternoon, or good morning, wherever you are, my beloved brothers and sisters of Amazonia. You're all hearing from Colonel Arthur John, the spokesman of the Amazonia Police, the truth teller. All unako enjoy the story today, but I want me can clearly say, I no want distraction for inbox me, no man no inbox me. Why I start talking? So I don't want any person me come for inbox, they try to distract me for inbox, they send me message because now no be in a moment for send message. Just focus, give your ears. When you give your ears, you hear what to Colonel Arthur John get for talking today. And this matter na very, very serious matter. If you know be okay with to Colonel Arthur John the talking, you get free right for block Colonel Arthur John. You get free right for leave my page. No come for my page, try to tell me wait way I give a talk. You open your ears, you hear. Now wait till I give a talk before I start. So the first thing I will be talking today be say, based on the fact say Atangan Jipo and Chiroma Bagari, then they report my other Facebook profile. This na new profile I use them. Muna share the video very widely so that me other people then they join me. So that before Colonel Arthur John go ahead. Without wasting time, I will start today to replenty today. Because don't be closely 8 days Colonel Arthur John never Tory. So now the first topic this I could start today with the talk about. I want to talk about the IG. And then they talk about IG, they say, they say we they try now for for do any child play. I want make and clearly move all Amazonians they wanna understand see. IG no be group. IG no be group. IG no be group. I talk on 3 times. Say IG no be group. Because many people then they confuse themselves. They compare the IG with AGC, Scopus, this and that. That is madness. The IG is not a group. Now one very important thing I want to tell Unamuna get a very, very well. All we majority for Amazonians them will be demand for the immediate firing of Scopus and Dr. Samuel Sako. He did do that. We expect me to publish out the new government for the IG this week. So I don't know who side way all the bad belly people then they come out anytime they compare IG and AGC, compare them with this group them. IG is not a group. Me any man get them very, very well. Muna stop between the talk say una the create any kind of thing there for compare our IG. The IG is not a group. The IG is being accepted by a majority of Amazonians. We get population of 8 million Amazonians. And inside that 8 million, at least 7.7 million Amazonians, they stand with the IG. So if you know one stand with the IG, I beg you, pack your thing there one time. Pack very well. Because as from now henceforth, any bad element, whether now who, any person will make any small attack on AGC, on IG, on the IG, from AGC, then we can understand for the ground say the people then they go to lost their profiles them non-stop. Me, Colonel Arthur John, I could make sure say me and the force of Amazonia Police we counter any black leg, any evil person when he try to derail the IG, any person when he move any attack towards the IG, please tag Colonel Arthur John with immediate effect for the. As soon as you tag me for the post, me, my appearance for the post, I could tag the force of law and order. Me then teach the people them. If you want to bring an insult, be ready to receive insult. If you want to bring a long sense, be ready to receive long sense. So any person when he try any rash-shaking attack as from now henceforth, una go pick ball run. When I give this a babo, This na official embargo from the Amazonia police. If any man the chop Mami Coco in a crashing, if the chop Mami Coco in a crash you, me you attack IG again. Well, at the talk, especially the AGC. We no go look your face again. We no go look your face. Now, ma sound one thing for una. Amazonia police, from now henceforth, they use Russian technology to dictate any black leg for the revolution. That is why I be easily for catch Pascal Kiki. Very, very easy. Any man when you want lost your profile, me try again. You want lost your profile on Facebook, try. Move any attack again. I could trap you. I could teach you how they use Russian technology. Vaga you down. I tell you this thing, me AGC watch out. Because very soon we go see all AGC members, they will lose all their profiles them. Because Colonel Arthur John and Amazonia police them with the use now Russian technology. Russian technology. What do you use them? For one all these ransacking people's name. So any man, the IG is our government. If you don't want no government, pack go for La Republic. Pack go any country where you want them. Stay there safely. No try for delay or revolution. If you did trap up for delay, for cause any damage to the revolution by attacking the IG, any attack on IG is an attack for all Amazonians. Me this one be very, very clearly. Any attack on Dr. Samuel Sako is an attack for all Amazonians. Any attack for him. You know, so you don't chop Mami Coco in the discussion. Once more, before I go ahead, or we don't take notice, we don't notice many things going on. For the 8 days, one never come live for talk about. Other individuals, then they try to play pacha, they play long sense in the name of fake unity. Because Colonel Arthur John be the monitor of the situation for understand which way they try to preach them. Whether they really be out for unity or they be out for fake unity, try to play mind games with hidden agenda for derail the revolution by attacking the IG. Point number 1. Yesterday, we brought a Mark Barata. He come live. He talk about unity. Talk about unity conference being organized in Canada. My brother, my sisters, them. Mark Barata, that unity conference where he be the preacher, he know hold water. He know hold no water. He know hold small water. Water na water, but that one no hold water. Mark Barata, you preach unity. You preach unity without consulting those that are more involved into it. That one will not accept them. Number 2, we know if we go for go team up with unity with people the way that we can go review Sacred for La Republic. Number 3, we know if we unite with person who carry Oyibo stupid TV station go tap for inside Amazonia. Try to show you African magic, for show strategy for how we use the African magic, the juju, for show and pay Oyibo. We know if we unite with them. Mark Barata, you know talk yesterday about this. So all that nonsense when you preach about unity, it make no sense. It enter for left ear, come off right ear for. Enter for right ear, come off left ear for. You know whole sense, you know whole water. Us Amazonians, the youth of Amazonia, we don't deny, we will not unite with Scopus. We will not unite with Ayaba because Ayaba is working for Atanga Jipo. I get evidence. Una no argue. Black leg people then they come argue me. But una wait. Una calm down small. I could bring her out all of outside Muna understand something. We feel unite. We feel unite with all groups. Except Scopus. Except AGC. We will not unite with these two people. No unity with Scopus and AGC shall be accepted by Amazonians. This is the official statement from the youth of Amazonians. While listening, click the share button, you share. We might move all the Tory to the moon and get up. So, all that thing in Mark Barata, the preacher yesterday, said me they go conference in Canada. It don't make sense. Mark Barata, na mind game. That was a small game. Who na the player to underlook and undermine the IG. But us, Amazonians, we are smarter. We will not allow these ramshackle things to happen. Us Amazonians, we will not allow any ramshackle things to happen. If you come listen Colonel Atta John, you come. If you don't be happy, I always repeat, you leave the page. If you don't leave the page, and if I see some person just post Fon Changshu for when a day life, I block the person. Now that people they want to block them. Anyway, when you write Fon Changshu, I the block them. That is simple. Well, I don't make that clearly. So my brother and my sisters then, officially, unity is needed among Amazonians. Unity is needed among Amazonians. We need the unity. But we will not unite with people that are selling us to La Republic. Reason being that if we unite with a devil, who are you going to fight? How can you unite with La Republic? If you are uniting with Ayaba, you are indirectly uniting with La Republic Federation. We know what federation. We want our country. Come rain, come sun. Southern Cameroons must be free. So if Mark the Walker preached yesterday about uniting ourselves, the involve Ayaba today, after Ayaba don't prove all kind of way they say Ayaba na La Republic agent, then this thing no go waka. It no go waka. That conference no go waka. Us. We could call on AIP, Dr. Samuel Sako. We could come live, we talk, we send it inbox. We tell you, he shall not attend any unity conference in the presence of Ayaba. Ayaba will never unite himself with us because Ayaba is a power monger. Number two, Ayaba is jobless. You cannot be jobless and you trying to lead Amazonians. You want lead now with them. You want to create the social system where you call it money for country. This thing no go work. A true leader must be working. Number two, a true leader must be calm. Number three, a true leader must not steal credit for what he or she never did. Number four, a true leader must not go about creating fake profiles, distributing them. Ma show now one of the fake profile. Ma tell you now why. Ma show now one of the fake profile. When I tell you now say we don't employ now Russia technology. Russia technology now for the revolution. Una the joke na joke. Una the joke na joke. The time which I played on pass the revolution. The time which I played on pass. Me I show now one of the fake profile being created by Ayaba. Where some of una they so una head them. Una head they no correct. Una head they no correct. Me I tell una. This profile. Me and all the rascal people there they come talk. Una listen first. This profile. Colonel Atta John and the Ambazonia police. We did serious investigation on this profile. Wait. The profile name na Khan. Wait. Khan. Benzoka Khan. This profile. Oh, not see so. People there they talk say over get sense. Me no wait. Me no wait first. Me no wait first. I don't catch Ayaba last time when I wait. Ma disprove this one. This Benzoka Khan na Pascal Kiki. Wait, ma tell una how I catch him. How I catch Pascal Kiki. with Russia technology. I want to show you how we catch them. Because it is so they think say they over smart. They think say all in the ground. Now only them they know them. Now I found that. We not see them. Well, I show you how we catch them. We catch them one by one, red-handed. When I look the messages then, do you see that somebody has clicked something somewhere and is distributing the IP of these people? Wait. Una don't see no say IP. Some messages then they say somebody is distributing the IP of somebody. Okay. My cut and short moon and over guess sense past Amazonia police. Okay. Una don't see them no. That's how we catch them. Pascal Kiki create the profile Benzoka can only with the main intention for the attack the IG in order to promote AGC scammers. But this thing not gonna happen. This thing not gonna happen. When Pascal Kiki create the profile, Colonel Atta John and Southern Cameroon police, we did serious investigation. We catch Pascal Kiki real profile and Pascal Kiki fake profile, Benzoka Khan, profile, operating on that same phone, on that same IP address. Based on this, when we judge the two IP, we discover and say, now Pascal Kiki, we need to expose him. We understand now. Why are these guys so evil like this? Why are they so evil like this? Why should Pascal Kiki be creating fake profiles and attacking the IG and trying to promote ages? My brother, my sisters, ask yourself this question. Why are they too evil like this? Why cannot other groups be as calm as SYL? You see Pascal Kiki, you can't preach unity for a main profile. Go use Benzoka Khan. Coach all people they will time. Coach all people they will time. Last time I catch na Ayaba, the profile Yamafoka Kuluba, he don't change the name. The name put us say Tabala Sizu Kuluba. He don't change them because I don't disprove. He try to confuse now. Muna get confused small. For understand say na so Ayaba use that profile. But ma tell una ask Ayaba say why he be say since the day when me I catch Ayaba, he profile Ayaba decide to block me with real profile. Why he block Colonel Atta John with the real profile? Because Colonel Atta John na Ayaba he nightmare. His greatest nightmare, the greatest nightmare of Ayaba is Colonel Atta John and the Southern Cameroon police. This is the truth I can tell you people. Anytime Colonel Atta John appear live or make a post, Ayaba start shaking. Tag all his gang, copy the link, share in their group. They come now so can strive to bring attack Colonel Atta John, so that they go try way to bring down Colonel Atta John. When I don't notice after the revolution say Ayaba, they always try all possible means to know my identity in order to try way to bring bribery and corruption for corrupt me with them. Ayaba don't create even fake account. Last time he create fake account. Ayaba create the fake account. Ayaba he send promise me say we'll go for una be blind head people the me a boss the secret. Ayaba send Jikan the stay yana Ayaba right now for same house for Norway. Inside Ayaba house where Ayaba take mortgage with a why he's jobless. No legal authority will offer you a mortgage while you are jobless. So Ayaba now the pay mortgage now money for struggle. So when Mate una wait to pass, Jikan and Paddy Asanga. Jikan and Paddy Asanga. Them two, they call me countless times. They call me countless times. They call me, say, Colonel Arthur John, call me for WhatsApp. Many times. When I talk and so, now things matter for April. Why one boss am? I don't the boss for una before. Una look my phone. Now Paddy Asanga that. Paddy Asanga. He two for normal them. He call me up every moment. Paddy Asanga. Why he be here and Deacon? They call me. I pick the call sometime. Paddy Asanga talk say, he did so. Me I join them. We go for La Republic Embassy for Benin. We go collect bribe for them. They will push federation and we push for election inside Wulan. Colonel Arthur Jones now he say he know the go for the. Since then, we not take note. Paddy Asanga don't block me one of the profile. The other profile, he need user too active. He never block me for the because at night their offer. They go now so Jikan under the authority of Ayaba. He send Jikan. Yan Paddy Asanga. They go for inside La Republic Embassy for Benin. I always saying this and dying on it, but una not believe them. Una what believe una eyes they be blind. Una be blind already. Jikan go here Paddy Asanga. Go meet ambassador for La Republic Embassy for Benin. Paddy Asanga don't confirm for me this one. Paddy Asanga. Me a call Paddy Asanga. If you pick my call for WhatsApp, me talk and me all my ear. Me a call. Me a show Paddy Asanga a phone number. Una siam. Me no dele say I save that fake phone number. Me no be like say I save that fake phone number. Then the tribal lie say na Paddy Asanga. Why no be Paddy Asanga? Me a show una the number. I like true. The truth, only the truth shall see Amazonians free. Only the truth shall see Amazonians free. So with me a call Paddy Asanga lively. Now so me all we will see am. Me all we will see am Paddy Asanga. Now your phone number this. Any man way the doubt Paddy phone number. Now Paddy phone number that. Now your phone number that. Now your phone number that. Any man way you get that if you confirm am. Me I call him. Me always see him. If he go pick my call, if he pick my call, we talk. Me pick my call. Now that the ring. Una see why you don't want to pick him now? Una know why you don't want to pick him? Because at night we go take bribe me and them. At night we go take bribe me and them. You don't want to pick him. You don't want to take him. You don't want to take back all. Una see him now. Una see him very clean and clearly. I like to talk true. Una see him. Una. Me know they like say at the line a lie. Now the call I don't drop. I'll call the next person. Me for talk about this. Wait where Ayaba do am for La Republic Embassy for Benin. Una blind head people that una need to understand. Wait till the past the revolution. Una just we call the support Ayaba. Una lack sense for school. Una lack sense. Una need to grow up. Una need to grow up for the revolution. At the corner the next person na Ayaba. Me Ayaba pick up. Me Ayaba pick my call. For challenge Colonel Arthur John. I want to show now say these people they don't go collect money, bribe for inside La Republic Embassy for Benin. And they will call Colonel Arthur John who go at night the offer. I'm always saying this, una need to believe am. Una just say about the Joe we go show plastic weapons, go freely so for nothing. Wait, una need to understand say Paddy Asanga they work under the command of Atangajipo. Una need to understand now. Me a boss am una get a all. Me a call Ayaba. Me o una siam. I don't want something me dey me délaissé, c'est me délaissé, me at the fake phone number na fake am. Any man we know Ayaba phone number na Ayaba phone number that no. Na Ayaba phone number that I'm calling it now. I'm calling it now. Let him pick my call. Let him pick it. Me pick am who talk about the matter. Where they plan am. Go collect money. Our boss all the team who na see am today. When I say he need to pick him now, he need to pick him. He need to pick him. I will keep calling them. Muna Siam. I want to show them all the day with them today. Muna Siam. I want to show now wait the happen today for the revolution. Una be blind-head people then so. Una will understand. This is not ringing. Some person say he need to ring. Me call Ayaba again the second time. No begin to tell me say he need to ring. It's ringing. It's ringing. It's ringing. This is Ayaba for the second time. Some people say he need to ring. He need to ring out. You need to hear? Someone say no be Ayaba. Say no be Ayaba. Say no be Ayaba. Una wait. Una when me a challenge the person when he talk say no be Ayaba. Me a challenge the person when he say no be Ayaba. No be Ayaba. The person, he or she just said it is not Ayaba. I will leave pack fine, but talk in the air. Forget, leave that story. Leave that story. Say for the ring. Leave that story. Talk say no be Ayaba inoma. So person talk say no be Ayaba inoma no. Now we get the phone number. Now we get him. Now Ayaba no. Now Ayaba get the phone number no. I don't want bap. I better leave that story. Leave that story. The next person I will call him. Now Mangang to tell you on which way we will decide them. Una no beginning what can make fake unity. Una need to understand which way they happen for the revolution. Ayaba the work for land republic. Ayaba the work for land republic. All the plastic weapons the way land where Ayaba the worker display them. Me Ayaba tell we with honesty and truth fact. And true fact. The phone I use on life. Now so I be call them with direct call. The one I'm using is no. I don't use on direct. So no can come make bap. Wait. No. No begin to make bap. No begin to make bap. I know say na Ayaba that. Now one of the Ayaba fake profiles in that where they call and say Kingsley Asanji. Now Ayaba they have fake profiles them. Then they make bap. Because Ayaba the fear Mimia expose where they do them for land public embassy for Benin. Why are you listening? My brother, my sisters, click the share button, you share. I will move all the last Belemuna get out today. Ayaba no. His own demonic spirit for your body is becoming something else. is becoming something else. Something else. The next day, we will call him, get him very, very well. Very, very well. Me a call him. Me know they say, we make fear. I know what's really happen. Say me I send you Ayaba phone number. So person they ask Ayaba phone number. Why you give up Guinea ask Ayaba phone number? If you want to see Ayaba phone number, okay. Where you want to see Ayaba phone number, no me not tracking matter. This is Ayaba's phone number. That is his phone number. That is the phone number of Ayaba. Call him. Call him. Call him. That is his phone number. I want proof of una say Ayaba go collect bribe. For inside La Republic Embassy, Ian Pati Asanga and Deacon. Una ne dey understand them. When I dey talk this in the die for the una ne dey ever believe me. Una ne dey ever believe am. When I be talk of Milan Artemi, una only so una ne dey believe am. Una dey say after the market, when the storm is is already over. When Colonel after John the tell una wait where the happen the revolution, begin the drag, begin to carry your step backward. There is a wise saying that do not say, oh, had I know when the storm is already over. So now wait till the owner did one. Selling after the market. Now wait till the most of una be good for. Ayaba be concentrate for the revolution, for the work for La Republic. Commander in charge of AGC, the general commander in charge of AGC, officially is Atangaji Paul. Atangaji Paul, same as the chairman, the president of Scopus, is Chiroma Bagari. Now them that two neighbors them. I don't know which way they really please una for the revolution. Una we can go on the supporter. Some of una, how stupid are you? Ask yourself, when La Republic killed 35 people for Pigny, Santa, all which will happen for there. Why he be say AGC no go pay France station for come sure? Why he be say AGC go carry Frenchman go down inside come for show only plastic weapons and for show Africa ball for there? You don't ever ask yourself this question. Usa you keep your mentality? Usa you keep your mentality? Mimi a drink water small. Mimi a drink water.
Baby, come closer. Make I tell you some more story. Remember those days with me and you be just like play. My mama be the wonder, my papa be the wonder. Say this kind of thing, they never see him before. As the go, that's all me and you they get the hustle. As friend before, that's all me and you see get the hustle. As sun be shine, that's all me and you they get the bubble. My baby, I will die for you. I said no make some man who fi come between this I love you. I said no got the man who fi come between this I love you. I love you this thing.
I'm back. My brother, my sisters, them more use common sense. This one you don't need matter for go school. As soon as I don't rate as a colonel after John no go school say na illiterate. Yes, I be me a illiterate. I no go me school. Yes. But I get common sense. Past most of these people the way they claim say they be Kumba doctors them. More ask something. When La Republic kill Mami Afi, did Ayaba employ France station for come go film away the born Mami Afi? Ayaba no do one. Refugees, they dey suffer for butches, they dey stay suffer for Nigeria. Wetin Ayaba don't do about this? Ayaba has done nothing. For fight power, For beginning talk say I be commander in charge. I be commander in charge. I be commander in charge. Now Ayaba. When Dr. Ebenezer he do operation for Saudi zone, I don't call the particular place because I don't want to disclose the location. Before they did this operation, Colonel Atta John, they informed Colonel Atta John say this operation could happen for this place at this time, and the nature of this operation. Colonel Atta John stay midnight. I wait up. I hear feedback for the operation for morning time. They confirm the operation. Say VAP, it happened. Ayaba come claim credit. I question Ayaba. Say why you did take credit for which way no do am? Ayaba start make bap. Send guys them. He sent Pascal Kiki, Roland, Dala, Doromega, Momsi, Abu Free. Same they come attack Colonel Atta John. So as we send now Colonel Atta John stay calm. I stay me calm. I don't talk anything. But I know the truth and the truth about the operation with Dr. Ebenezer Dua. When you want to look inside all the groups that were in there, which two groups, which group, don't go say, which people them for which group, don't go sell themselves for La Republic. Sell brothers them for La Republic. Go expose to secret for La Republic or African magic secret for use and fight for La Republic. This is called stupidity because La Republic get ball of people them also. La Republic could cook themselves for Bassa zone. They could cook themselves also for come fight. Because of this stupidness with Ayaba Duam. Go show Africa baller for them. When you want to look up, now Ayaba don't do this stupidness. When you want to look the other side, now Milan Atem don't go say who leaders the La Republic. You want to look up, Ayaba don't go meet up embassy, ambassador of La Republic embassy for Benin. You want to look up, Chiroma Bagari don't go meet up Milan Atem. These two guys, they are of no use. We cannot unite with people that will sell us to La Republic. Which defense force we ever agree to unite themselves? We will unite ourselves with Ayaba. You bring just bring imagination. You bring ADF, bring SYL troops, bring together. You bring ASC troops together. All they start work like one. Ayaba troops then they go disappear, go back. Go review the location of the camp for the troops them. They go reveal about La Republic. Ayaba don't show me examples say if he review African magic. The Ayaba will go review the Boloma where they cook who people them before they go domo. Ayaba go review them. Why you didn't listen? Just share them, my brother, my sister them. Ayaba go review all this in them. So we cannot unite with a La Republic agent. We not fit unite with Ayaba. We not fit. But I, Colonel Atta John and the Amazonia police, with the call on general unity, excluding all scopers, excluding all SYL, not SYL, excluding all scopers, all AGC, those two groups, we cannot unite with them. Anything about Ayaba is scam. Anything about Milan Atem is scam. The two are working for La Republic. So we want unity between all Amazonians without excluding these two gangs. The unity must include our leader, Dr. Ebenezer. It must include Mr. Bo Herbert. And it must exclude Ayaba Gambling Club. It must exclude Milan Atem, the monster. Now the general unity, this one time. No defense force is willing to work hand to hand with AGC. As far as AGC don't do the worst of the worst upon worst for go review all Sacred Federal Republic. Another thing where we never notice of the revolution be say all the people the way they be do we see where it happen where AGC do one for SYL moving inbox to inbox for people their inbox them for SYL the text them say una come join AGC una come join AGC then the text am example the text Koan na my party person no matter she stand her own ground say she be federalist you know me say me and Koan na enemy no me so but Koan be AGC member and Koan na witness now one of the main witness where he catch Ayaba the text people inbox say come up SYL come join AGC now same thing when Milan Atem the tribe use Scopa the text people they for IG say people they come up IG come join them. So that the thing that way they happen we not need to understand and say Ayaba and Milan Atem, they really be out for the revolution. Now, but damage all thing. Why Milan Atem, the tribal thief people them for thief all people them from IG, Ayaba, Bibuzi, the tribal thief all people them from Scopa and Morris. So, my brother, my sister say, Milan Atem and Ayaba. Now brothers, they came in our revolution to steal and destroy. They came in our revolution to steal and destroy. Milan Atem and Ayaba, their papa na Satan. They had no day for the revolution. They only get interest now for money. This cannot go like this. We don't believe all evil people that they try to kill the revolution. Why Mancho BBC, Senator Penteres, Pa Fongala, Pa Tase Wilfred, President Ayuk Siko, just to name a few of them, they David Jar, we will leave them. Me AGC begin to make money. I have to use the money to go pay mortgage with them. They pay mortgage for Norway. Do you know the standard of living in Norway? In Europe, all over European Union, Norway is one of the top ranking countries, followed by Luxembourg. Anyone where the Europe confirm, the standard of living in Norway is very, very harsh. Imagine for Norway to buy one bread now around 10 euros. How can Ayaba be living in Norway while being jobless? How can Ayaba be living in Norway while being jobless? This is impossible. Usa Ayaba they take money, pay the mortgage, the way take them. Ayaba don't abandon the cleaning job. How can Ayaba abandon his cleaning job? So, all the things no fit work so. Oh man, the work and all have inbox. Say, join the person. This is nonsense. Wait till our sound some warning again. Some people then they were the beat the revolution when we fight the revolution so we be Amazonians. Say a land of milk and honey. Some people then we can't talk say they be federalists. These same people the way they be claim say they be federalists, they don't go team up. Now they don't team up together with AGC. They don't team up together with AGC for tribal attack. But we no go allow this thing may happen. Because me, Colonel Arthur John, if you want the offensive section, we could bring you the offensive unit. We get the super offensive unit where they go bring them up. Any man where he post anything, crap or shit, attack IG again online. Please, no hurry for attack the person. Tag me for day. Tag me for day. Just tag me for day only. Tag only me for day at the back una Beckham. When you tag me for day, I will bring in the force of law and order. For day, I will bring in the force of law and order. Before the ages, you go write one comment, they go receive 20 comments already. For day, we go damage the post. Tag me for day. I know the guys that are ready. They are ready to launch attack. Tag me for any post where agency triumph. Again, henceforth, as from now, henceforth. Tag me for day. I beg you now, Beckham. Tag this my profile or my other profile where they don't block them. I still use them. I can see information from there. Tag me there as fast as possible so that my account for the force of law and order. We will see how the cyberspace could be because agency want make mob say they over know for talk. They over know for talk. And when they make, I could use Russia technology damage their profiles they will tap. I will use them. And I could track all fake profiles. Me, I could track all fake profiles them. All fake profiles. It's my duty like the Amazonia police to track down all fake profiles as I've been doing. How I track Ayaba, how I track Pascalchi, I will continue like that. I will be tracking them down all. The next person who I will reveal your identity. Now, Jill, I can. But I show now the next person I will reveal your identity. And the way me make boom. Only small boom again. Only small boom. And it just expose his identity. Because now, I'm using the hard way, the only way. Russia technology to expose all those using fake profiles and attacking the IG. So, we could see what it will happen now. We could see what it will happen now. So from now henceforth. Now show now next person, next target, what I get them. What way they on the list. Where smarter when I could know the person, the real identity. One of them, na Tabe Ashu. The next person, now she broke her palm lips. But before them, then the best way I could bring them out. The next best way I could bring the fake profile out and even the picture. Anybody way you know the profile, me tell you. Say I don't already get your IP address and IP for a fake profile. And it comes small time, I don't already get the IP address and the home address, every information about it. I get them. And I know where to work them. When I talk at the door, I get them, I get a fake profile. I go expose some small time. I will expose some for una small time. When I talk at the door, una trust Colonel Arthur John. Trust him. The man that spoke, that's anything that comes out of his mouth, he makes sure he maintain it. And he use Russia technology now to catch all fake profiles. All them. I could catch them out. I could fish out all them. Momsy Vivian Battery. I'm on your profile also. I'm working there. And if you don't take care, you go lost even password. You go lost even the account. I go make screenshot video. Show people the way they sabotage people name. So, Momsy, you are one. I warn you. Also, all fake profiles, I'm determined that ever. Self-sponsor, for catch all them, fish out all them. Now my duty. I will do it. I will keep doing it. I will not stop. No one can stop me from fishing out all of them. So now the thing I talk about, me they can preach fake unity with their real face. Go back, use fake profiles. I could catch all them outside. I could fish out all them. All them. I show them for una. Una see them very, very well. Why are you listening? Share. Ma drink small water again.
Our love no the year, our love no the talk. I said this I love, not die. We will love each other wherever we go. Nothing will separate us, and we will never say bye-bye. We will love each other wherever we go. Nothing will separate us, and we will never say bye-bye. If I feel show you inside in my heart. You go see, say, my love like 3 in 1. I say after today, I will take you home, a honeymoon. If not London you want, tell me. If not Paris you want, tell me. If not America, then we will go meet in Monica. I be looking your eyes, and I see, say, God, no matter my friends, baby, oh. And I look at my head, and I see, say, God, no sugar my tea. With you for my life, what you had to do with another girl, baby, oh. With you for my life, what you had to do with Asha, my baby, oh. I will die for you. I said, no, make some man who pick up between this and love. I said, no, got the man who pick up between this and love, yo. We will love each other wherever we go. Nothing will separate us, and we will never say bye-bye. We will love each other wherever we go. Nothing will separate us, and we will never say bye-bye. Hear me, yo. Hear me, yo. Hear me, yo.
My brother and my sisters, I want them who use so small common sense for something. When some saying they might give example. Example, if some person hurts you one time, the Bible says, forgive and forget. But no trust the person the way you first trust and before. Now I want to quote the example. Look your example if you be married man. Your master, he come off outside. Oh man who called master, he daily say the favors on side. One partner come over outside, go cheat the other partner. When you go cheat the partner, come back for house. You start pretend. When the other partner discover them, you think say that partner could so ever trust you again. You think say that partner could ever trust you again? That partner no could ever trust you. If you did share the video, if you did listen the video, just click the share button, you share them. When that partner no could trust you again, you know if you ever really give your heart for the person. To be honest for you. You know if you and the person be the same house, but you can never trust the person. How can you be preaching fake unity? Mark Barata, you are my brother. How can you be preaching fake unity with Ayaba? With the people the way you first call them for Canada, now members them for AGC, where they organize this matter, say unity. You did try to outsmart the IG and others. From serious investigation, una send also that ransacking post. Una send also that ransacking post also for Dr. Ebenezer and Mr. Bo Herbert say unity. Una did try to play over with their intelligence. This thing no go work. Una know if we go form fake unity group for Norway, for Canada. We call the pre-say unity. No. We know those that can call for unity. If Dr. Ebenezer, Mr. Bo Herbert, Dr. Samuel Sako, if they meet each other together, even for US, inside US, so they all in for US, the 3 people are call them. Now for the way unity go start. Unity go start now for the. We know if get unity with fake people them. We know if make unity with fake Ayaba. We know if unite ourselves with Milan Atem. What should be pleasing us? If Ayaba don't thief we one time, thief we two times, Ayaba thief we for 21 years. 21 years that Ayaba has been stealing. Una some food where they just support Ayaba. Una know how much we Ayaba sign asylum paper for Europe here? Ayaba signed one asylum paper for close to 1,200 euros. Usa all the money there, Ayaba. You fit tell we? Usa all the money there. The don't help people that will not be so. When I talk to some people who say colonial after John the asylum seeker, I will never be an asylum seeker. And I will never be. Never. I know the follow fine donkey for that way. How Ayaba Guinea Waka signed asylum seeker? Yeah, and Julius Cho. Julius Cho don't come out. Julius Cho be the stay for Europe, for Western Europe. He don't run go now so for UK. So he hide now for UK. He say he be fake journalist. Why should Ayaba be doing all these ransacking things? My brother, my sister, let us, if you be part of SYL, IG, Maurice, please talk to Mr. Bo Herbert, talk to Dr. Ebenezer, talk to Dr. Samuel Sako and others. Let us come and unite ourselves. But unite ourselves, we must exclude Ayaba. Ayaba, no, we no fit chop the same plate with Ayaba. If you go chop the same plate, you are Ayaba. Dig your grave, you want. Dig your grave, you want. Because if you go chop the same plate, you want. Milang Atem. Dig your grave, you want. We need to unite with them. No unity with these scammers will be accepted. No form of unity. Come rain, come sun. No form of unity shall be accepted. Even Dr. Samuel Sako propose them, us Ambazonians, we could reject them. And Dr. Samuel Sako could get no choice but to listen to the majority. Now the kind of nation that we want to build up. If we don't talk so we know to unite with Ayaba, we need to unite with Scopus. It's finished. That is final. We need to unite with them and we don't give reason. We don't give clear reason. We don't give very clear reason. Clear reason. We know if we unite with Ayaba, me Ayaba go review Cham for La Republique. Me Ayaba go disclose location for troops for La Republique. If Ayaba, when he talk say, una sure say Ayaba get the master degree so, I the doubt because he just better but the way you know even where I get me now only birth certificate. So me I get me now only birth certificate. I the doubt if Ayaba get the even master degree where the worker claim say he be doctor so fake kumba doctor so. Mo no begin to do the thing here for blind way my brother my sister say. Mo no the do for blind way. Mo do have a sensitive way and a smart way. I get me now only for school living certificate. How can you wear a uniform? How if you wear a uniform for inside ground zero? More talk the one. Is this waiting not be witchcraft this? La Republique no go kill that people the way they wear a uniform for inside La Republique where they wear a uniform. Ma tell una the hidden agenda behind that uniform. After Ayaba don't go collect that money for inside La Republique embassy for Benin, Ayaba go arrange that uniform. So that means they wear and differentiate, it drops them where they work for help La Republique from other troops them like SYL troops, other ground troops, and ASC troops. So Ayaba want differentiator so that La Republique military they no go to kill them. So that La Republique military no go to kill that people the way they wear that black ADF uniform. Now there reason that why we Ayaba he supply uniform for them. Then una understand no? Una dey understand everything no my brother my sisters them. Una science. Come rain, come sun, my lovely brothers and sisters. I will not lie to you people. I no be out for the revolution for make money. But when I see any wrongdoing, I go review am for una. I no want more people than die. Una check what will happen for DJ. What will happen for day. When Ayaba go daddy, go make that video for day, come back. They kill people every day. The next time, they arrest leaders then. Ayaba, you move plastic weapons, show them. Immediately, he give advantage. For Atanga Jipo, for give order, me they kill people them. For Santa, Batbo, Bali. Una see how Ayaba evil this. My brother, my sister say me, see here. Any man where he chop mami cocoa in this crashy. Me it try again. Me it try only to try attack the IG again. Me it try only to try. After I give this Mbabo. Me it try. Be it Federalist. Or Ivor. Or Vera Franklin. Me any man try attack IG again. Then we understand where to do. When you attack him, you make sure you block all people then. Because if you don't block me first, if you don't block, start to block Colonel Atajon, the offensive unit, where you go counter any person who want attack IG, leader, Colonel Atajon, and the Saru Cameroon police. If you try them now, you go pick ball run. I'm the leader of the offensive unit. Anything where you do, I go pause even my job. I go on break. I go on break. I go take break with immediate effect. Vagashu. Adite una na tell him. Adite una na tell him. All this is the way Ayaba di do and so he must stop him. If Ayaba no stop him now, if Ayaba stop him, we no go work with Ayaba. Dr. Samuel Sako, this special message goes to you. Dr. Samuel Sako, whoever is listening from the IG, forward my message to any member of the IG. Dr. Samuel Sako, bring us Dr. Ebenezer, Mr. Bo Herbert into the IG. Let us work hand to hand. Mr. Bo Herbert is good in diplomatic issue. Dr. Ebenezer is good on groundwork. If Dr. Ebenezer work hand to hand with Forcha, believe me, now maximum, we give La Republic, now just 4 days. 4 days, me the pack go. Yes, IG get reform for Duam. We the support them, but we the call them, say me the try always, me the IG work with Dr. Ebenezer and Mr. Bo Herbert. When these two people then they day inside the IG, I beg you, my brother, my sister, the revolution now, the day could change. Try and see. Try and you see. Me no bring me Dr. Ebenezer inside IG. Bring me Mr. Bo Herbert. Then suspend my trip to Boya. Suspend them. Suspend them. Go want see money. Then me IG do go for me. Me always see how much we the enter. When IG do they go for me, my brother, my sister, after this unity with Dr. Ebenezer Morris, see donation ko enter. Donation ko enter. I Colonel Atajon, I could donate so una ko I ko shine so una set a vap. Una go see the huge amount we raise them. We do one day, we can raise $3 million US. We do one day. We do one day if we did give only $5, no more. Just $5. But we want unity first. I know say my trip to Boya na good plans. And my trip to Boya, the hill fruit already. My trip to Boya, now good example this for my trip to Boya. This, una also blockhead people the way they know they understand. Wait my trip to Boya the do am. Mimi a show una. Good example of my trip to Boya. Some people they una just say IG the joke can chop money na chop am. IG know the chop money. You don't need to tell me, say, man, go chop big fish. Some fool AGC member, they will name that Kingsley. He writes stupid comments, them. All times, the defend AGC. Same they go chop big fish. Why should we eating big fish? Why we give her the chop big fish? Why we give her the one? We don't need to chop big fish or do anything. We don't need them. We don't need to chop any big fish or do anything in any way to the other. Wait what you do. This is the work of my trip to Buea. Those of you that do not believe in my trip to Buea, believe in it. You can fund it. And at the call on, before I finish, those people that were federalists, the way they don't go join Ayaba. Una watch out. Watch out. Elma, warning. Kelly Baby, warning. Martin Monono, warning. I'm warning you people. You know what you know what Colonel Atajon is capable of doing. You know my ability. You know my capacity. You know what I can do. You know what I can do. I can send the force of law and order to bring you down, and you will stay quiet. If you continue that way, Inoko go. Next thing I will talk about brother Ivor. Ivor, you don't do something wrong. And when you do something wrong, we for South Cameroon police, we call a spoon, a fork, food, wine, beer. We need to call a spoon, a plate. We need to do that one. Ivor, you don't do something wrong. Mimia, bring them first for you. Ivor, you go last time online. You post your biography for day. Say you be federalist because you want them for achieve your self aims. We'll talk about this. Mr. Ivor, you think say now you one day for bush, now you one day oversee, or you want show now waiting, or you forget to know say even those that are having citizenship, a country can still revoke your nationality and make you and give you back their own nationality. You forget to know this, Mr. Ivor. You forget to know him. You forget to know him. So I want to call you into order. You get this sense in your head. No matter you claim Colonel Atajon illiterate, wait. Maybe you don't catch US passport or you don't do it. But no say all that in the way they talk am. You know who water. You know what can provoke Ambazonians them say you want to achieve your self-aim before you push the revolution ahead. What madness is this? Why should you say this? So you use all the 2 years they begin to attack people them. They attack people them. Ivor. They can come talk say you want to achieve your self-aim. Ivor, are you mentally normal? Mr. Ivor, you are sick. You sick for your head. You sick for your head, Ivor. Your mentality dey for your back head. Or you check that say that you want to be the first person to get permanent resident for US. Or you think so? Or you think say some of us who dey for Europe here will not come safe for US. We don't come for US. We will not even need visa. You don't know so? You don't know say most of you people, the people that are there for Europe here, we will just come for US. We will not even need visa. You will come go for life, go proud, say you don't get stable stay. Say you want to crap the Ivor, no provoke Ambazonia's name. I write post last time, I tell you very, very bitterly. If Ivor provoke me, say you want to achieve your self-aim. Ivor for use another approach to even address the situation. Because when Ivor do the thing, he make a vex that for vex. And he even plan to kill Ivor in family for ground zero. Because of that very incident. and one key Ivo family for ground zero because of this incident where he talks say what achieve self-help. I don't lost 5 family members. I don't lost 5 family members. 5. So me Ivo no can come up him up talk say what achieve self-help. Self-help for waiting. Self-help for waiting. So what they talking? No come tell me, my brother or my sister, you were right to say they divide people. And then they divide people and they talk through it where they did. Where most people no go fit talk am. Most people no fit talk am. If Ivo want join the fight for the fight, me no come talk about self-aim. You want come push self-aim, na self-aim. Na self-aim where you go take with free Amazonians. Me stop am. Me Ivo no come tell you about self-aim. Someone that get them very, very well. Me no man no we come talk say no man no get right for work, for create the job. For create the job say for the revolution. In the name of revolution. You know you ever create them. How we go do fund the revolution if you know the work? If you know the work. Example for myself. Me I quote them for myself. Colonel Arthur John the work. And we not take notes. Colonel Arthur John they do it 40 hours per week. And one take extra job. And one dating myself extra job. Me tax office begin to wipe my money for nothing. Man, I work for tax office Leninga. I do normal standard 40 hours. What is Ayaba doing? What is Ayaba doing? What is the occupation of Ayaba? What is his occupation? Oh, now the reason so to una think am very well, una think am well. And una take note Colonel Arthur John mostly active online for weekend. Because he's free. So me no man no try to spoil the revolution. Unity is what we need. My brother, my sisters, any ground troops, do not take them closer to AGC. If you take them closer to AGC, Ayaba and his gang, them go kill him. They go give him name and information for La Republic. So, officially, Colonel Arthur John don't talk today. I will monitor more information. I will wait more. Government come announce the government. And I'm hoping Dr. Ebenezer and Mr. Bohebe, they will work hand to hand inside there. I'm hoping for that. Because we need unity. But unity will not include Ayaba. Unity will not include Milang Atem. My beloved brothers and sisters. Anything like conference in Canada makes no sense. Any conference of unity in Canada, if Ayaba is present, makes no sense. If Milang Atem is present, makes no sense. If any unity be for Canada, me myself, I go text Dr. Ebenezer, Mr. Bohebed, and many others. I call on them, me then boycott such type of unity. So that is it. So my brothers and sisters, whoever wants unity, unity should be unity for all, except devils. So that is it. I wait that we get them for talk today. If any man get question, we will ask them, type your question for comment. I answer you why I talk today. So type your question on the comment. I will answer you. Type your question on the comment. If you get any question for ask, I just type and for comments. If you get any question, Just type am for comments before I to read some good song before I stop. Now the bad belly people then this for this revolution where they do work for La Republic. Now them that, now their name then that. They do, if you get any questions for ask them, you ask them. Some person ask question say some person don't ask question say why I no show my face. You want know my face so that you go come bribe me. You know how many people them for ages where they don't text me, the tribe will bribe me. You know how many of them? How many of una they text me, the tribe will bribe me. Now we can't ask to see my face. You want to see my face to come bribe me? Eh? Is it what you are trying to do? You try to see my face to come bribe me? Now plenty una that wait. You want to see my face to come bribe me? Una want to see my face to come bribe me? Now they list that with black legs then. For the revolution. Where me, Colonel Arthur John, I don't officially give an authority. Command. Say, me they counter any shit from all these people then. Any crap posts from all these people then. Me they counter them. Any shit or ramshackle post coming from them, me they counter them. See, when I see how childish Monolo Martin be, now in that come from my inbox, they catch me. Now when I see how childish he be, when I see him now, when I see. After one say when I dey live, me no come live, come show, come insult or write me for inbox. You come write up. Mono Martin. I pity you. We need 20 TB Joshua's them to deliver Ayaba and some of these fools them. So since I question they know they. Some people they ask and say, why is Menchum and Kambe so quiet like this? My brother and my sisters them, we the reactivate things them. We the reactivate things them small. You can see them. Mezam ko feel them small time. Mezam ko feel them small time. All sight ko feel them. My give us some strategy we will give the user now. We need to start the dig holes them. No, I'll close them out. The topic close. I no go call them. Now sensitive information. I will disclose them for my troops. If I disclose them now, so I have a Yala Republic, they go stop Guinea Waka. They check them. So, because don't make them the fall to keep inside then die. So, since ask question no day. Person wey want know my village. I don't ever tell una say Colonel Arthur John na half Bakosi. Any man we want talk Bakosi language, me come here you tori and me write am we talk. Asanje, any person they where they talk Bakosi language, Asanje. Any person the way they talk Bakossi language. Colonel Atta John that half Bakossi. Karin Stopper. Give me my next video. I will answer you. Who get that profile? That profile. Yeah, Karin Stopper. I will tell you who get them. Because I use Russia technology now. I could catch all them, no worry. Okay. Since as question them know they plenty. Kambe is part of the struggle, but we are planning big things to happen there. Things are going to happen there more different than what has happened already. Anyway, unity is all we need. And any person that is there is really interested in unity, let us unite and fight the revolution. More you unite, we fight the revolution. And when we unite to fight the revolution, we make sure say Ayaba no go be part of it. Milaratem no will be part of it. So me finalize things them now. With my song, with my good and sweet song. Who they want listen that song? Anybody want listen song me just right? Yes, I need 3 or 4 years them. Because this list so now for the song. The list now for the song. Now for the song. Now for the song. Anybody want listen the song? Me talk about the song. Me tutorial. Who want listen the song? 1 year, I need 5 years before I start the song. Who they want listen to song? That was sweet song. That was sweet song. Who they want listen to sweet song? Sweet song. 2 years, 3 years. Who want listen to sweet song? Who they want listen to 4 years? Only one black leg. 5 years. See, they don't even plenty pass. Plenty for the one listen up. Hello, younger. Mololo Martin. Pack fine, idiot. Pack fine, a fool at 50. A fool at 50 call himself Martin Monono. Okay, time for this song. Ma drink water small before I start this song. On the last day when the Lord shall come, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, I know. On the last day when the Lord shall come, many, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many, many people will be disappointed. Ayaba will be crying, the Shaker will be crying. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many, many people will be disappointed. Momsy will be crying, Roland will be crying, Pascal Kiki will be crying. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when the Lord shall come, many, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. Oh, had I know, had I know, I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many, many people will be disappointed. Capo Daniel will be crying. Abu Free will be crying. Cecilia Biamabo will be crying. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many, many people will be disappointed. Some will be crying and some will be saying, oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many, many people will be disappointed. Dala Dala will be crying. Fake federalists will be crying. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many, many people will be disappointed. Ayaba will be crying, Momsy will be crying, Abu Free will be crying. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. On the last day when Boya shall be free, many, many people will be disappointed. AGC scammers will be crying, Ambazonians will be laughing. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. Oh, had I know, had I know, had I know. Mukala jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Ayaba jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Shaker jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Momsy Vivian Battery jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Milan Artem jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Mangang jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Pascal Kike jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, AGC jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Scopas jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Abu Free jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Cecilia Biamabo jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Julius Cho jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Dala Dala jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Momsy jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Ayaba jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Milan Artem jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelling me turkey stamp. Janga smell, Raymond Sama jump up. Honey sting, I'm smelly bitter case time. Janga smell you Derrick jump up. Honey stinger, smelly bitter case time. Janga smell Mukala jump up. Honey stinger, smelly bitter case time. Janga smell Lawrence jump up. Honey stinger, smelly bitter case time. Janga smell anyway way hot you know. Me and about to die. Anyway, what this song them now black legs them. where they try to spoil the revolution. Any man where want spoil the revolution, na enemy for the revolution. Any man where no support the IG, na enemy for the revolution. That is why this song, we always sing this song to end the show with it. Once more, I go sing Mukala Jumps Up before I finish them with all these members, them, all these lists before I finish, before I stop. So, any man where you know the vex, me ain't about to die. Now with black legs, evil people working for La Republic. Poor be a monster, poor be a jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelly bit of kiss time. Janga smella, shanta be a jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelly bit of kiss time. Janga smella, atanga jipo jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelly bit of kiss time. Janga smella, chiroma back, Gary jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelly bit of kiss time. Janga smell up, ayaba jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelly bit of kiss time. Janga smell up, shake up, jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelly bit of kiss time. Janga smell up, mom see jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelly bit of kiss time. Janga smell up, Pascal Kike jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelling bit of kiss time. Janga smell Abu free jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelling bit of kiss time. Janga smell Cecilia Biama abo jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelling bit of kiss time. Janga smell Roland jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelling bit of kiss time. Janga smell Dala Dala jump up. Honest thing, I'm smelling bit of kiss time. Janga smell. Before I end, Mimi, I repeat again something. I want call Ayaba before I drop this. I call Ayaba. I tell Ayaba, me Ayaba. He pick my call, mu talk. Me all una hear wait to the talk about the DUA get up inside La Republic Embassy for Benin. Before I end. Once more, if Ayaba no pick, I go drop everything down. End so. Ma call Ayaba. Mu all una see. Ayaba no one pick call for talk wait where the DUA Yala Republic ambassador meet up for do. For inside Benin. This that challenge, an open challenge about Ayaba. He fear Ayaba di shesheng now so. I will call the next party man, Padia Sanga also. Ayaba cho, any man wait out, I go show them the phone number when the call drop. Any man wait doubt, say na Ayaba. Say na Ayaba. Na Ayaba the phone number that. Na the phone number that. Na the phone number that. No begin to talk bab 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 bab. No they talk bab bab. If you ever pick call talk wait with the D where they get up. Now Ayaba the phone number that. Now the phone number that. When I did talk something, when I did make up. Look the name I'm calling and the name and the phone number. I did testify before I do something. Ayaba the ever pick call talk through wait where they do. Me pick call. Next person I'll call him Padia Sanga. Me Padia Sanga testify he own. Me testify because Padia Sanga gave it testify. One me Padia Sanga also talk through wait to be the DUA get up. Wait. Moment, my phone just fixed. I want call Padza Sangamonas here. Leave that story, say I have the online wait for Europe. We get phone them. Oh, my phone did be online all time. My phone did be online 24 hours. If you have the slim na sleep and then the off data, we get free Wi-Fi for our houses there for Europe here. Even for train station, for street, all city, all councils, they get free Wi-Fi all over. Why should I have an office phone? So no begin to use long sense, begin to cover Ayaba, say Ayaba, you know they online. Now next person now they call him. Me they talk the Z where they yet up. When they record them, they know they want pick them because they know what they do. I'll call party order number, his second number. I want me to tell una with Z where they get a young Republic ambassador for Benin. Fred Von, I know why you are calling up there. They don't, I don't call first. No, Fred Von, no, just talk so. Tomorrow I go call direct call. Direct call. I go do one tomorrow. Una stay blessed.